Am I good right here?
Zip up a little bit further.
All the way up?
That's good. All right, here, snap this. All right, you pull it down again now.
Did I?
Yeah. Look at the mockingbird eating them.
Where?
There, you right there passing them. Eat. Get ready now.
Can't see them.
Well, they all over you. Back off of them and let's see how many's on you.